School is over. Now what? If you don't know what to do this summer, watch this. School is over. The exams are finished, the notebooks are closed, and for the first time in months, you're completely free. No alarms, no homework, no teachers telling you what to do. Just an entire summer waiting for you. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the scary part. 3 months from now, some students will come back stronger, smarter, and closer to their dreams. Others won't even remember where their summer went. The difference isn't talent. It isn't luck. It's what they choose to do next. Let me tell you a story. The last bell rang and students rushed out of school celebrating their freedom. Everyone seemed excited. Everyone except one boy. His name was Akira. As he walked home, he kept asking himself one question. Now what? At first, summer felt incredible. He slept until noon, watched videos for hours, played games late into the night. Every day felt like a reward. But soon the days started blending together. Wake up, scroll, eat, watch, sleep, repeat, again and again. One evening, Akira sat by his bedroom window watching the sunset. The sky glowed orange and gold. Then his eyes landed on a calendar. 3 weeks of summer were already gone forever. And he had nothing to show for them. No memories, no progress, no growth, just lost time. The next morning, Akira wandered through town and stopped by a small river. An old fisherman sat quietly by the water. Without looking up, the old man asked, "Why do you look so lost?" Akira sighed. "I don't know what to do this summer." The old man smiled and pointed toward the river. "Look at the water. It never stops. It never waits. Time is the same." Then he said something Akira would never forget. Most people think summer is something you spend, but summer is something you build. That night, Akira opened an empty notebook and wrote, "Before summer ends, I will become better than I am today. Not perfect, not famous, just better." The next day, he read 10 pages of a book. The day after, he went for a short run. A few days later, he started learning a new skill. Nothing extraordinary happened. But little by little, he changed. 1 day became 2, 2 became 10, 10 became 30. And slowly, Akira became someone new. He read more, learned more, explored more, created memories. And for the first time in a long time, he felt proud of himself. Eventually, summer came to an end. The first day of school arrived. Most students looked exactly the same. But Akira felt different, not because people could see it, because he could feel it. The confidence, the discipline, the growth. That's when he understood something most people never learn. Freedom isn't doing whatever you want. Freedom is becoming whoever you want. So, school is over. Now what? Enjoy your summer, rest, have fun, spend time with friends. But don't spend all of it escaping your life. Because while you're watching the days pass, the days are quietly building your future. 3 months can teach you a skill, build a habit, transform your confidence, and maybe even change the direction of your life. When summer ends, don't ask, "Did I enjoy my vacation?" Ask, "Did I become someone my future self would be proud of?" Because one day you'll look back on this summer, and you'll either say, "I wasted it," or "That was the summer that changed everything." The choice starts today. Wait, now you know why this summer matters. But the real question is, what should you actually do? What habits can make these next 90 days the most productive and life-changing summer of your life? In the next video, I'll share the best habits every student should build during summer break. And trust me, some of them can change your life forever.